Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you the 7 tips that you need to know to maximum your earning with Spark Driver. As you can see on the screen, I already make $250 per day. This tip is really work, and I know they can work for you as well. I'm not just type of guy came here and talk about some I don't know. I've been using those tips for a couple months, I can tell, and they work really well. By the way, I was supposed to make this video like 2 months ago, but I couldn't do it because I was sick, and I want to thank God for helping me make it out. Now I feel much better. I feel like this is a process. Day after day you're gonna get better, and I want to thank you for everybody also supporting this channel, and thank you so much guys. I really appreciate it. For those of you it's the first time you came here, I want to say welcome. My name is Luke, and it's a pleasure to be here to serve you, to help you make more money as an independent contractor. And you know the deal. If you are the first time, make sure you like and comment and you subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started right now. Right now it's time for me to share the 7 tips with you. I'm gonna start the first one. Follow the Spark Driver data. To follow the Spark Driver data, you're gonna open your app and go to your zone. So when you get to your zone, you're gonna see it tell you exactly your location you're working right now. So right now you're gonna looking at those bars. You're gonna see some of them is low, some of them is high. So the bar you see high, that means that this time there is a lot of order at this time. Okay, when you see the bar is low, that means the customer doesn't order that much. So as a Spark Driver, if you really want to make money, you have to look each day, and you have to look the time also. That's gonna give you an idea at what time you should start working and which day you should working also. So right now I'm gonna go back to the time. So when they tell you it's gonna get busy at 10 o'clock, what you will need to do, you have to make sure you start working 1 hour before. If you can do 2 hours before, that will be awesome. The busy time tell you not really accurate. You have to make sure you start a little bit early than the time you're given. And right now, after all this thing, which day is busy, at what time you should start working, now you can make a full schedule in your area. And this is how you're gonna able to make $250 by following this one tip. So we're gonna go ahead to the second one. The second tip you need to know, you need to set up a mileage rate. If you wonder what is a mileage rate, is the amount you're willing to take per mile. Let's say if for every mile you need $2, $3, or $4, it's up to you to set this up. The first thing when you receive an offer from Spark Driver, the amount they're gonna pay you, and after that you jump to the mileage based off the amount. You see, if you're not gonna make the $2 per mile, you just let it go. Let me do a quick math with you to understand what I'm saying. So if you're somebody, you take $2 per mile, it's not gonna be $2. Let's be realistic. Even though you want to accept order $2, it's not gonna be $2 flat. It's gonna $2 something, $2.50, $2.70. It's gonna be more than that. But right now, let's stay. If you drive 100 miles per day and you make $2.50, that's gonna give you $250 per day. And if you go up, if you take the $250 per day, you time by 5 day you work, you're gonna make $1,250. Even though you take the $250 for your expensive, you're still gonna have $1,000 left. Right now I'm going to talk about incentive. Incentive is very important for the Walmart Spark Driver because it helps you make more money. If you are a Spark Driver, when you see an incentive or you feel that's make you feel much better, because you don't want to work more to make more money, because the incentive gonna help boost your earnings. Let me give you a quick example about incentive. Let's say in your area there is a Walmart store is very busy. There is so much order going on to this Walmart store, and guess what happened? They want driver to pick up this order faster. What they do, they offer an extra $10 every time you pick up an order from this Walmart store in your area is busy. They're gonna pay you $10 extra. Let's say you got an offer for $15 to go pick up from Walmart store. You're gonna get your $15 plus the $10 extra, that means you're gonna earn $25 just for one single order. Tell me, if that doesn't make you feel good, I don't know what's gonna make you feel good. Me, that's make me feel good, because I don't want to pick up an order for $10 to make $10. Just pick up this order, I already make the $10 extra. That's mean you work less and you make more money. That's why incentives is very important for spot driver. Right now, I'm going to talk about ASP Order. If you're a Spark driver, you get this ASP Order a lot. But for some reason, some of you, if you go to the store, they tell you this order is been delivered 2 hours ago, you just cancel it. If you cancel it, they're just going to send it to another driver. Okay, but let me tell you how you can get paid. If you go to a Walmart, they tell you this order been delivered 2 hours ago, don't worry. Just go ahead, contact driver support. You're gonna tell them the Walmart associate tell you this order been delivered 2 hours ago. So they're gonna tell you, don't worry, we're gonna go ahead compensate you for that. They're gonna be sorry about it, and let me tell you what's gonna happen. If the ASP offer was like $25 or $30, you're gonna get paid the full amount money just to show up to Walmart. That's only if the order been delivered. But if the order didn't deliver yet, you're just gonna go ahead, pick up this order and drive to the customer. 5 tip I'm gonna share with you right now. You need to be on time in your delivery. And before I jump to it, let me give you one reason why you need to be on time. As a Spark driver, you work for this customer. As soon as you pick up this offer, whoever it is, I don't know, this customer is your boss for this moment. The only way to make your customer happy is be on time and don't bring missing item. Missing item is very important, guys. Before you leave the Walmart store or any store, double check. I know some Walmart have the plastic bag, they already seal. You can open this one, but for the brown bag, make sure all the item is here. If you miss anything, just ask the Walmart associate will bring you this item. If he doesn't have it or out of stock, you're gonna tell the customer that to the app. You don't have to worry about it, but always check to see if any item is missing. Or to be on time. I'm going to show you exactly how to be on time. Let me grab this one right here, the example right here. You see 7:45. This order is going to be ready at 7:45. But 7:45 is supposed to take me to the Walmart parking spot, okay? Where they make for Walmart for delivery driver. You have to take me there. 7:45. I'm not supposed to driving to the store at 7:45. Because if you don't be there at 7:45, you're gonna be late, because you're gonna get this store 7:55 or 8 o'clock. You're gonna be late. By the time to scan to put this in your car, time gonna run out, so you're gonna be late and you're not gonna be on time. And the result if you're not be on time. So to be on time, always drive before. If you are a beginner, make sure you see which store is it and put it in your GPS. For those of you been doing Walmart and you're on your area, you already know exactly where each store located. You don't need GPS. If we see our offer from this Walmart, from this Home Depot, just drive there, get there early, and by the time the order gonna be ready, you're gonna be in the choose your spot, and the Walmart so you're gonna bring it to you. You're gonna be on time for every delivery you're gonna make, and guess what gonna happen? You're gonna make more money by doing this. Right now, I'm going to talk about change your zone, and I'm going to give you 2 reasons why you need to do that. So a lot of people, when they sign up for the Spark driver, because they sign up in this area, they only stay there. You need to stay there. You can always change. And if you want to come back to previous area, you can always do that. Let me give you the first reason why. The first reason you need to change your area, because sometimes, even though you do all the stuff I just talked about in the beginning, if there is no order in your area, you're not going to make money. For some reason, sometimes your area you're working is dead. It's not the app is dead. Your area is dead. That's the reason why you need to change your area. The second reason you need to change your area, you need to explore other area just to make sure which area has the highest pay. Because as a spark driver, you need to make money every day. It's not working for you right here, you move on to the next area. It's not working to the next area, you move to the next one. This is how it works. Remember, this one is a serious business. If you don't take it serious, you're not gonna feel good. The only thing you're gonna talk about negative thing. To change your area, you're just gonna go to your zone. After you go to your zone and you're gonna go change, you're gonna put your zip code right here. You can always use the same zip code you use to sign up, and they're gonna give you some area close to you. You're just gonna pick up. You're just gonna click it and click save. This is all you save your area. Like I told you, if you want to come back to the previous one, you can always do the same thing I just show you right now. Finally, we arrive at the final tips, and I want to thank you for anybody who get that far, because I know this video is a little bit longer than usual, but we just want to make sure you understand and what we're saying. Right now, we're gonna go ahead give you the 7 tips. Is you need to work in bad weather. Bad weather can increase your earning. Why? Because in bad weather, the app already knows it's raining or it's snowing. They just offer extra earning. That means you don't need to work a lot of hours to make a lot of money. Just a couple hours, you're gonna see you make a lot of money. And I'm not talking about like crazy weather. If it's snowing a lot, just go home, because at the same time you want to make money, but you don't want to put yourself in danger. You have to be careful if you're working in bad weather. Because I love bad weather, especially when it's raining. I know not too many people are gonna come out working. I take advantage of extra earning they offer. Okay, but if you don't have a raincoat, get a raincoat. In my car, I always have 2 raincoats. If for some reason this one not working, I take the other one. I only keep 1 coat in my car because I live in New York. Sometimes the weather is pretty. When you come out later, you don't know what's happened. It's below 0. So for this reason, I always come prepared. If anything happen, I'm ready for to face any type of weather. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.